If your car sounds like a 90-year-old smoker trying to jog, stay tuned. I'm about to make your engine purr like a happy cat again. Look, the problem isn't your car, it's you. You've been feeding your engine old oil, Amazon special filters, and spark plugs that look like burnt marshmallows. No wonder it hates you. Step 1. Oil. If it's darker than your Monday morning coffee, change it. Step 2. Spark plugs. They're supposed to spark, not look like barbecue leftovers. Step 3. Air filter. If your engine can't breathe, it can't run. And here's a bonus tip. If your car still feels lazy after new plugs and a fresh filter, clean your MAF sensor with a special MAF cleaner. You can grab it at any auto parts store. Trust me, your engine will thank you. Hear that? That's not an engine. That's a symphony. A little love, a little care, and boom, your ride's basically brand new again. Treat your car right, and it'll treat you right. Skip the maintenance? Well, enjoy Uber. Hit that subscribe because next time I'll show you how to fix something in 5 minutes without paying a mechanic a dime.